In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 16, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this BLACKVIEW. Firstly, just open Play Store and install free app called DevCheck Device and System Info. It has to be from Flutter developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!